How to join Aliexpress affiliate program? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to join Aliexpress affiliate program, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So what you need to do is go to aliexpress.com, or you could also use a specific country as aliexpress.us or UK. But by now I'm going into aliexpress.com. As you know already, or perhaps you know, let me switch my language here. Okay, I'm gonna save it. As you already know, here in AliExpress you're gonna find a big variety of products. You can find whatever you need, and this is going to come over from China. Okay, so that's why some of these prices are really cheap, and in some cases, if your article is really cheap, so perhaps you are not going to pay any taxes in your own country and you're just going to receive it. It could take several days or even months depending on the country that you are. But if you are in a big country that imports a lot of articles like this, so perhaps this is not going to take a lot of time. Some of these articles has free sending, free shipping, and that's it. That's AliExpress. Also, if you decide yourself to buy a big amount of these articles, so this is going to be cheaper for you. So, by now, we are not interested in spending any money here on this platform because we are interested in getting to the affiliate program. So what you must do is scroll down a lot until you find the end of the web page. And here you're going to find this part, collaborate with us, so the affiliate program. I'm going to click here. So this is going to redirect me to a new page. Let's take just a moment. Okay, so this is the portal that is going to explain us how the affiliate program in AliExpress works. So by now, here you must to have in mind that more than 150 million affiliated products, okay, and you can take commissions from 9 till 90%. 90% for hot products. I guess hot products perhaps are articles that are selling a lot, or perhaps some sales too. And the advantage here with AliExpress is that they supported countries and regions more than 200. Okay, so they have big support in different countries. And you can earn a commission just by bringing orders to AliExpress with just a few minutes of daily work, and increased earnings for eligible publishers. So you can earn up to 4% extra commission rate for promotions that surpass targets on their incentive programs. Okay, there are some features that you're going to receive if you get into this affiliate program. So some promotions, you can personalize products and recommendations, exclusive codes and incentives for eligible publishers, and plenty of sales themes and banners. Here there are some tools and data, so it is easy to use. So you are gonna benefit yourself from the intuitive systems and promoting a few simple steps. It is really simple. And even if you have knowledge in the building of some apps, or as a developer, there is a tool to affiliate API, so query product details and order data. Okay, you are gonna have access to useful reports too, and to further help and feedback. Okay, so you can write here if you have some questions to the affiliate program once you are there. And it is easy because to promote those products and earn in 4 simple steps, you just need to choose the product and get the tracking link. That's it. Obviously, you're going to promote that in your channels, your social media, your blogs, your podcasts, wherever you can do it. You, in order to the continuity of this, you're gonna bring more traffic and orders to Aliexpress, and obviously you're gonna get the commissions. It is as simple as this. So perhaps if you are in the video game industry, so you are, I don't know, related to Nintendo, perhaps some Joy-Cons. So you're gonna choose that product, the tracking link, and because your audience is related to this video game industry, so you're going to recommend them the Joy-Cons, and obviously if they pay for that, you're going to get the commission, okay? And this is an advantage too, because some of the programs that I already know, if you want to be part of the affiliate program, they are just gonna choose you if you have a strong website. But here in AliExpress, your audience can be in the social medias, an influencer, in some chat groups if you have a big channel in Telegram, perhaps, or like a blog, or even if you have some networks and agencies. So perhaps you don't have any website or social media, but in your work you have a big amount of people that can buy different stuff, or some companies perhaps. Okay, so these are some of the frequently asked questions. So I'm going to skip to these four, because if you have an account already, you must click on sign in. But if you don't have an account yet, so please just click on register. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to continue with one of my emails from Gmail, this one to be precise. Okay, now I'm in my new account. So I did this because I want to show you the complete process with the affiliate program. This is going to redirect you to the same homepage, so you must scroll down and click on affiliate program, and there you're going to have these four steps: the basic information, site information, contact information, and the verification. So the individual, so I'm going to fill this, and the media type, this is going to be network, okay? You can fill it also as a company if you want to. Site information, so this media type, so perhaps I have this with my social media because I have a forums and community perhaps, and the name of this is Whizz, and the URL. By now, I recommend you to write a complete protocol, so HTTPS. I'm just going to improvise here with this part of the URL. Traffic distribution, so the region you primarily operate in. So by now I'm going to choose my own country. What happened here? My own country, yes. And I also want to redirect myself to the United States. Okay, United Kingdom, and I don't find that. Perhaps they have it like America. Okay. Preferred category, the topics best describe the content of your website or mobile app. So this is going to be about technology. Okay, there is security and protection perhaps. Computer and office, why not? And phones and telecommunications. I like that. Let's start with it. And the description of it. So this is obviously up to you. So, okay, I'm just gonna write this by now and click on next. You can add more sites if you have it with this link, but by now I'm just gonna do it with one example. The contact information, so just write your phone number. I'm gonna use this. The instant messenger, this is optional, so you can select your platform, so perhaps through WhatsApp, then the number of your WhatsApp, and if you want to add more, so just click there, okay? By now I'm just going to delete it. Oh, I can't. No worries. And verify the code. So I'm going to send a code to my email. I'm going to switch my email. So you must go to your email and verify if you have received a code in order to type it here. And click on next. And the last part is the verification. So just agree that you have understood Aliexpress privacy policy and affiliate program service agreement. And also if you would like to subscribe to the Aliexpress portal newsletter. So if you click on confirm, I'm going to show you. They are going to let you know that you have completed your register, and this is going to be reviewed within 1 to 2 days. Okay? So you just have to wait, and that's it. So your application is currently being processed. So you must to wait for it, and that's it. That's how you can join to AliExpress affiliate program. Thanks for watching.